Hi, I'm Craig with ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we'll be doing a quick overview as well as taking a look at diagnostics on this Samsung gas oven. This Samsung oven comes equipped with a 6.0 cubic foot cooking space, a high BTU dual burner, as well as Flex Duo technology so that you can turn your oven space from 1 to 2. The most common repairs you'll find in this could include.
Click on the link below to view this repair video. ApplianceVideo.com guides you step by step, giving you the confidence to avoid recalls and callbacks, also saving time on repairs. Whether you're up against an uncommon repair or the latest appliance on the market, our videos have been created with you in mind. Our growing library of videos have been produced using our factory-certified technicians who have extensive infield experience over the past 30 years. ApplianceVideo.com provides high-quality repair videos that anyone can follow, regardless of their skill level. We are here to help. Click on the link below to view this repair video and let us help you do it right the first time.